Okay, so this pattern calls for multiples of 8. So this means you will chain 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 until you reach your desired width, and then you would add 4. This is a really simple two-row pattern. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do a double crochet in the chain and the 4th chain from the hook. Then you're going to chain 2. And then and you're going to skip 3 chains. Then you're going to do a single crochet. Chain 2. Skip 3 chains. And then do a double crochet. Chain 1. And another double crochet in that same stitch. Chain 1, and then another double crochet. Like 2 V stitches together. Then you're going to chain 2, skip 3 stitches, then do a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 3 stitches, or 3 chains, then do your double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet. Chain 1, and then double crochet. And then chain 2. And then here you're going to do again skip 3 chains, and in the 4th chain do your single crochet. So that should be, when you're getting at the end, a single crochet. You should be ending with a single crochet, not with these things right here, this set of double crochet. So then you're going to chain 2, and in the very last chain, you're going to skip your 3 chains, and in the very last chain, you're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet. Like this. So that's your foundation row. So row number 2, chain 1, do a single crochet in this very first right here stitch. We're going to chain 2, and then in this single crochet, you're going to do your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Chain 2, and then in the middle of this, double crochet, you're going to do a single crochet. Then chain 2, look for the single crochet, and then you're going to do your set of double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Chain 2, look for the middle, the double crochet in the middle, and then do your single crochet like this. Chain 2, and then in the single crochet below, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. So in this turning chain, do your single crochet like this. And that's row number 2. Row number 3, you're going to chain up 4, which counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. And in the same stitch right here below, this one right here, first stitch, you're going to do a double crochet. Okay, and then you're going to chain 2 and start over the pattern. So again, here, middle of this double crochet, do a single crochet, chain 2, and the single crochet right here. You're going to do your set of V stitches. So there you go. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. This. Chain 2. Middle of the double crochet, single crochet, chain 2. Top of the single crochet, do your 2 V-stitches. Chain 2, single crochet, chain 2. You're going to look for the single crochet below. You're going to do your double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And that's row number 2. And that is a repeat of row number 2 and 3. So it's the same pattern. It's just row number 2, you start with a single crochet. And then row 3, you start with a chain 3, a chain 4, and then double crochet. That's the only difference between these two. So chain 1, do your single crochet, then chain 2, then in the single crochet right here, do your set of V-stitches. And that's it, that's the pattern. Really quick. It would make for a great last minute gift if you want a pattern that's easy, fast, and you're at the last minute, you want to do a blanket, a baby blanket, or anything like that. Then this is pretty quick. It's easy, and you can do it pretty quick depending on what size blanket and how much time you have. And that's the pattern. So that's it. So, yeah, so just please feel free to email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.